two sides also have two release paper because it's very sticky when we in the cotton if no release paper they will stick together.
Does it have 3 sections?
Yes, three components. 3 layer.
Wow.
See, very sticky.
Its tensile is so high.
你呢？谁说的呢？
这边是说。Nancy, in addition, the basic knowledge of the built waterproof tip. I remember we have a built tip. And what are the characteristics of them? What are their biggest features?
They have many features. I think the biggest feature is of the butyl, because the butyl is very sticky. You can see this picture. It has high adhesive.
Yeah.
You can see my.
You can add them.
You also can see this is the before the lotion as a tear there. Okay, it's not easy to tear. It's very sticky.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, it's very sticky. Not easy. You can try.
Yes. Wow. Its adhesion is so high.
This is a small test. The second point, it has a particular strong heat and cold resistant.
Yeah.
Heat and cold resistant. You can see test video. You can see picture. The fire on the aluminum foil is not destroyed, and can see this wind and fire.
Wow.
Replace. The cold resistance can reach minus 40 degrees. Heat resistance can reach. It have long elongation because of the butyl glue. Can you see the long elongation? This is the butyl glue. It's the aluminum foil. Okay, the substrate.